Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix connection error here. Sorry, there was a problem reaching our servers. Please try again. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and then you need to go to status.roblox.com and then you need to look if the Roblox servers is not down. If the servers are down, you just need to wait, and if you're getting this error here and the servers are fully operational, I will show you what you need to do next. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to press Windows and A key or simply write run. And then here you need to write %local app data %. Then on this window here, you need to look for Roblox folder, click on it, and then you need to look for logs. And then select all the files here, make sure the Roblox is closed and delete all the files. Don't worry, it's just the temporary files. It won't affect your game. So now try to launch the game. And if this do not work, then go to settings. On settings, you need to go to network and internet and look for VPN. If you connected to VPN, disconnect it and try again. Sometimes it can happen that VPN is connected and the game is not working. So make sure VPN is not connected. Next thing what we need to do here, you need to go on search and you just need to write view network connections. Then here you need to find your internet connection. In my case is cable. For you it can be Wi-Fi. It doesn't matter. The process will be the same. Right click, properties. Look for Internet Protocol version 4, select it, and then select use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Next up, what you need to do here is to write cmd or command prompt and make sure to run as admin. Okay. Then here you need to write IP config, one word, space / flush DNS, one word. Then another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, restart your computer, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to settings again, then go to network and internet, then advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing. And it should fix your problem. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.